Gaming in a Tesla is the one thing that truly separates us from the gas-guzzling horde all around us. But if you're still jabbing your meat stick at the touchscreen, you are driving in 2026, but gaming in 2016. Hi everyone, I'm Dan for Joah, and today we're covering the basics of how to game in a Tesla, but more importantly, I'm giving you 5 insider tips how to improve your gaming and have your kid respect your tech knowledge once again. First, the absolute basics, how to play. There are 2 platforms focused on Tesla, so we'll look at both. First, Tesla's own Tesla Arcade. To play, just tap the application launcher at the bottom of your screen, hit the arcade icon, and boom, you've got a massive library of games. Many of these, like Polytopia or Fallout Shelter, are totally playable using just the touchscreen. But let's be honest, touchscreen gaming is for grandma with Candy Crush. You are sitting inside a self-driving car. You can do better. So here are 5 tips to massively upgrade your Tesla gaming setup. Tip number 1, get a real controller. Cuphead is the best game on Tesla Arcade, and you cannot play without a controller. Even with a controller, it's a bitch. There are 3 controllers that are compatible: PlayStation, Xbox, and our own Joah multi-device wireless controller. PlayStation and Xbox are the expensive option, and the real issue with them is they aren't designed specifically for Tesla. So if Elon decides he's upset at Microsoft for partnering with OpenAI and removes the compatibility, that actually happened. The Xbox team is unlikely to fix the problem. Our controller is specifically designed to work with Tesla, and if there is a change with compatibility in the future, we will update the firmware. This has also happened. Plus, you can easily switch between your Tesla, your iOS device, and your Nintendo Switch by switching modes on the control bar at the top. Right there. Tip number 2, try out Joah games. Our whole team is a bunch of Tesla-owning nerds, so of course we're gamers. We got tired of waiting for Tesla to add new games, so we've developed our own platform, and we will add games more frequently than Tesla does. To find it, open your Tesla browser in car and go to joah-life.com/pages/joah-games, or just go to our website and click on Joah Games in the top right corner. The link is also below. 3 things to definitely try out here are: 1, Tiny Racing, which features retro overhead style racing and supports up to 4 players in multiplayer. 2, Free Doom, which is a Doom clone, and we've set it up to actually let you save your progress so you don't have to restart every time you park. It's the first FPS setup to work in a Tesla, we believe. And 3, we have Tetris, which features a global and local country leaderboard, so try to rank first among Tesla owners around the world. Speaking of leaderboards, tip number 3, play beach buggy racing at superchargers. This is the only game with competition between owners for any game on the Tesla Arcade, and the implementation is fantastic. Each supercharger has its own leaderboard, so you can try your best to beat others in your area. Tip number 4, YouTube playables. If you want a game like a filthy casual, YouTube playables is an option for you. Just open the YouTube app in the Tesla, scroll down to playables, pick a game, and start. Some of the games here are pure brain rot, but my kids don't require the calm that I get from chopping up aliens with a chainsaw in Free Doom. So there are a few things here for them. A few of the games are compatible with our controllers as well, but it's not supported across the whole platform. It depends on if the developer added it or not. And finally, tip number 5, kill the smudges, fix the glare. If you or your passengers are shameful enough to play touchscreen games, your beautiful display is going to look like a crime scene after just a few minutes. And it's a pain when you drive off later and the crusties on the screen block your map view. So do yourself a favor and install a screen protector. We have both crystal clear and matte options depending on what you like. It makes sliding your finger across the screen for games infinitely smoother, eliminates annoying sun glare while you're playing, and completely hides fingerprint smudges. So there you have it. Please join us at Joah Games and start filling up the Tetris leaderboard. We are working on adding more games and features all the time. Check the links in the description to upgrade your setup in car. And if you like info on Tesla upgrades in general, make sure to like, subscribe, and as always, drive safe everyone.